Hi guys! So today I'll be making lemon mousse with just 3 ingredients. I love this dessert because of its multiple uses. I use it as an eat-alone dessert, as filling for cakes, and also to frost my cupcakes. So I used 155 grams of white chocolate. So we need to melt it. You can melt it either in a microwave or a double boiler method. I'm using the double boiler method to melt it, so I placed the glass bowl over a pot of hot water. Stir it every few seconds. Once it's melted, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you'd love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. So once it's completely melted, transfer to a bowl and let it cool at room temperature. Add half cup of chilled whipping cream. So you will have to whip it until it reaches stiff peak, then you add the lemon mixture. Don't add the lemon mixture at once, add it in 3 additions. So whip it until it is fully mixed. So after whipping it, put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes before using it to fill or frost your cupcakes. So this was after 15 minutes. You can see how stable it is now. So if you want it as an eat-alone dessert, pipe it into the cup, then garnish it. I used fresh lemon slices and also lemon zest to garnish it. Then refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours, then serve. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. And for those that found the video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.